In a world that's constantly demanding our attention, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. Our minds race with endless thoughts, and we rarely take the time to pause and simply be. But there's a way to find peace amidst the chaos, a way to reconnect with ourselves and the present moment: mindfulness. It's not about emptying your mind, but rather about becoming aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Mindfulness might sound complicated, but it all starts with a simple act: breathing. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Don't try to change it, just observe it. As you focus on your breath, you might notice thoughts entering your mind. It's natural. Don't judge yourself for these thoughts. Simply acknowledge them and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Imagine your breath as an anchor, grounding you to the present moment. With each inhale, you invite calmness into your body. With each exhale, you release tension and stress. Let's expand our awareness beyond the breath. Settle into a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax and your mind to become still. Bring your attention to the sensations in your body. Notice how your body feels in this moment without any need to change or judge these sensations. This practice is called a body scan meditation. It's a way to tune into your body and become more aware of the physical sensations that often go unnoticed. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Feel the surface of your scalp, the hair, and the skin. Notice any sensations you feel there. Slowly move your attention down to your forehead, noticing any sensations there. Feel the skin, the muscles, and any tension that might be present. Notice your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. Are there any areas of tightness or tension? Are there any areas that feel relaxed and at ease? This practice helps you develop a deeper connection with your body and release physical stress. By regularly tuning into your body, you can become more aware of how stress and emotions manifest physically. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Open your eyes if they were closed, and take a moment to appreciate the time you took for yourself today. Remember, this practice is always here for you whenever you need to reconnect with your body and find a moment of peace. Thank yourself for taking this time, and carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you go about your day. How often do you eat your meals without really tasting your food? In our fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the habit of mindless eating. We often find ourselves multitasking during meals, whether it's checking emails, scrolling through social media, or watching TV. This habit can lead to overeating and a lack of satisfaction from our meals. We've all been there, scrolling through our phones or watching TV while we eat, barely noticing what we're consuming. Mindful eating is about transforming this experience into a mindful one. Next time you sit down for a meal, put away all distractions and give your food your undivided attention. Start by observing the colors, textures, and aromas of your food. Notice the vibrant greens of your vegetables, the rich reds of your fruits, and the golden browns of your grains. Take a moment to appreciate the nourishment it provides. Think about the journey your food has taken to reach your plate, from the farm to the market to your kitchen. As you take your first bite, chew slowly and savor each flavor. Notice the textures and how the food feels in your mouth. Is it crunchy, smooth, or chewy? Pay attention to how your body feels as you eat. Are you satisfied, content, full? Mindful eating is not about restricting yourself or feeling guilty about your food choices. It's about cultivating a healthier relationship with food and appreciating the simple pleasure of eating. By being present during your meals, you can better recognize your body's hunger and fullness cues, which can help prevent overeating. Additionally, mindful eating can enhance your overall dining experience, making each meal more enjoyable and satisfying. So, the next time you sit down to eat, take a deep breath, put away your distractions, and truly engage with your food. You'll find that this practice not only nourishes your body, but also your mind and spirit. Embrace the art of mindful eating and discover a new level of appreciation for the food you consume. Mindfulness isn't limited to sitting meditations. You can bring this practice into your everyday activities, like walking. Next time you're walking, whether it's to work, to the store, or simply around your neighborhood, turn it into a mindful experience. Instead of letting your mind wander, bring your attention to the sensations of walking. Feel the ground beneath your feet with each step you take. Notice the movement of your legs and the rhythm of your breath. As you walk, engage your senses. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. The colors of the sky, the sound of birds chirping, the scent of freshly cut grass. Mindful walking transforms a simple walk into a refreshing and calming experience. The beauty of mindfulness is that it can be practiced anywhere, anytime. You can integrate it into even the most mundane daily activities. Whether you're washing dishes, taking a shower, or folding laundry, bring your full attention to the task at hand. Feel the warmth of the water on your skin as you wash dishes. Notice the texture of the fabric as you fold your clothes. Pay attention to the sound of running water as you brush your teeth. Instead of rushing through these tasks, see them as opportunities to cultivate mindfulness. By being fully present, even mundane tasks can become moments of peace and clarity. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in our own thoughts and agendas, often failing to truly listen to others. Mindful listening is about shifting our focus from ourselves to the person speaking. When someone is talking to you, put away all distractions and give them your undivided attention. Look at them while they speak and focus on their words, tone, and body language. Resist the urge to interrupt or plan your response while they're talking. Instead, simply listen with an open mind and heart. Try to understand their perspective, even if you don't agree with it. Mindful listening not only improves your relationships, but also enhances your ability to understand and empathize with others. As we end our day, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. We might dwell on things that went wrong or tasks we didn't complete. However, taking a few moments to practice gratitude can make a significant difference in our well-being. By shifting our focus to the positive, we can cultivate contentment and peace. Before bed, set aside a few minutes to reflect on what you're grateful for. This simple practice can help you end your day positively and prepare for restful sleep. Think about 3 things that brought you joy or made you feel thankful today. Even small moments of happiness can have a profound impact. These moments can be anything from enjoying a meal, receiving a kind gesture, or witnessing a beautiful sunset. Write these moments down in a journal or reflect on them in your mind. Writing can help solidify these positive experiences. As you focus on these things, fully experience the feelings of appreciation and gratitude. Let these positive emotions fill your heart. Notice how your mood shifts, and a sense of calm and happiness takes over. This practice can help you end your day feeling more content and at peace. Mindfulness is a continuous learning process, a daily practice of bringing awareness to the present moment. Some days will be easier than others, and that's okay. Be kind to yourself and don't judge yourself for the thoughts and feelings that arise. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that develops over time with consistent practice. As you continue to cultivate mindfulness in your life, you'll find that you're better able to navigate challenges, appreciate the simple joys, and live a more fulfilling life.